If you want to get the notification of my channel regarding newly uploaded Korean language content, subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Your support is the great motivation for me to keep making Korean content. Thank you and let's hit the road. 17번. 언어를 사용하는 능력은 손가락과 밀접한 관련성이 있다. 능력, ability. What ability is it that we use the language? The ability that we use language is the subject. 은 손가락과 밀접한 관련성이 있다. 관련성이 있다. There is 관련성, correlation, the relevancy. What relevancy is it? That is close to 밀접한, close. 자, 밀접하다. This is adjective. Adjective and verb go at the end of the sentence, but if it comes before a noun, relevancy, 관련성, then you always have to add ni은 under the infinitive stem of the adjective. So the close relevancy to 손가락, fingers. 손가락을 움직이는 동작은 동작, the motion. What kind of motion is it? 손가락을 움직이는 motion. That, the motion that 움직이다, move. Move what? Our finger. 단순한 행동에 불과한 것이 아니라 에 불과한 것이 아니라 자, this is expression 아니에요. It is not 불가한, merely. 네, so it's not, 아니에요. It's not merely 단순한 행동, a simple behavior, 행동, behavior, 단순하다, to be simple, 단순한 행동, simple behavior. It's not merely a simple behavior. 어휘 기억 장치의 문을 여는 열쇠와 같은 역할을 한다. 자, 역할을 한다. It plays a role. 와 같은 such as 열쇠, key. But what kind of key is it that opens, 열다, opens what? 문. Door of 기억, memory, 장치, tool, device, 기억 장치, memory device, or memory storage. 어휘, vocabulary. It plays a role such as or like, such as, like, that's 와 같은. So it plays a role like a key that opens a door of our vocabulary memory device or tool, 대장치, tool or device. 그러므로, therefore, 손가락이 불편한 사람들은 평소보다 필요한 단어를 떠올리는 시간이 길어진다. 보다, rather than, comparison, rather than usual time or normal time. 사람들, people are the subject because of the subject marker in. So people, but what kind of people? 손가락이 불편한 사람들. Uncomfortable with their fingers. So people who are uncomfortable with their fingers, 평소보다 rather than normal, 필요한 단어를 떠올리는 시간이 길어진다. The time, it becomes long. But what kind of time is it? 필요한 단어를 떠올리는 시간은 relative pronoun in present tense that 떠올리다, come up, with. Come up with what? 를, that's direct object 맞고 the necessary vocabularies. 말을 잘하기 위해서, 기 위해서, in order to. 말을 잘하다, be good at, 잘하다, you do it well. So be good at words. 조언하는 것도 이런 이유 때문이다. 자, if you add 는 것 after infinitive stem of a verb, then it becomes ing form, gerund form. So making a noun from a verb. 조언하다, to advise. So 조언하는 것 together, advising. So advising blank also 또 이런 이유 때문이다. It's because this reason. 때문이다. 때문이다. It is because of 이런 such or this EU reason. Okay, so let's read this text again. 언어를 사용하는 능력은 the ability that we use the language 손가락과 밀접한 관련성이 있다. There is a relevancy. 밀접한 관련성이 있다. It's closely related to 손가락, fingers. 손가락을 움직이는 동작은 the motion that we move our fingers. It's not merely a simple behavior, but it plays a role such as a key that opens door of our vocabulary memory device. Therefore, people who are uncomfortable with their fingers, the time when they come up with the necessary vocabularies becomes longer, 평소보다, rather than its usual time. 말을 잘하기 위해서, in order to be good at words, good at language, advising this is also because of this reason. 손가락을 움직이는 동작, the motion that we move our 손가락 fingers, this one plays a role like a key, the key that opens the door of our vocabulary memory device. So there is a relationship, 그쵸? The ability that we use language, there is a close relevancy with fingers. So 말을 잘하기 위해서 손동작을 많이 사용하라고. The right answer will be number 1. 라고, every option ends with 라고, 라고, 라고. It means to ask someone to do. So imperative. So 조언하는 것. Advising someone to do something. So 라고 in the middle of sentence, it means imperative. Advising people to 사용하다, use what? 손동작. Motion of hand, a lot. So what information is use what? 손동작, motion of hands, 많이, a lot. Okay, let's look at other options too. 생각하라고, advising to think. First, what? Our fingers. That's strange. 손가락을 사용해야 되죠, 손동작. 왜? Here, 손가락을 움직이는 동작. 움직이는 동작. This is the key. The motion. 네. the motion that we use. 손가락, not think. 3번, 필요한 단어를 잘 선택하라고. advising to 선택하다, choose, select well, what? 필요한 단어, the necessary words. 아니죠. This is not related to 말을 잘하기 위해서 in order to speak well. 이런 말 없었습니다. 4번, 어휘의 의미를 잘 기억하라고 조언하는 것. advising to remember well what? 어휘의 의미, the meaning of 어휘. This is a synonym of 단어, vocabularies. Also, the text did not mention about remember well the meaning of vocabularies. It's new information. Like number 3. That's why it's also wrong one. 자, 18번. 최근 청년층을 중심으로 직업에 대한 가치관이 변하고 있다. 중심으로, 을 중심으로 among noun. This noun is 청년층. 청년, young people, 층 is the classification, class. So the youth. So among the youth, 최근, recently, 직업에 대한, 에 대한, about, or regarding, about, 자, about 직업, job, 가치관이, the values, this is a subject, the values, 변하고 있다, 고 있다, present continuous, 변하고 있다, it is changing. The value is changing. About jobs among the youth recently. 평생 한 직장에 다녀야 한다든지, 개인 생활보다 직장 생활에 더 비중을 둔다든지 하는 전통적 의식이 약화되고 있다. 평생, lifelong, 자, 평생 한 직장에 다녀야 한다든지, 다든지. But with a verb, you have to add 니은 under with 다든지. 니은 다든지, and it means whether. When you make a choice of A or B, it doesn't matter. So whether 야 해요, should. 야 한다, should. You need to. So whether the youth should 다니다, go regularly. So attend to 직장, workplace, 한 직장, one workplace for a lifelong. Whether they have to attend to their workplace, one workplace, 한 직장, one workplace for a lifelong. 개인 생활보다 직장 생활에 더 비중을 둔다든지, whether, 미은다든지, 자, 비중을 두다. This is also an expression. 비중을 두다. Weigh. You weigh more. 비중을 두다. You weigh 더. More. 어디에? To 직장 생활. Your career life. 보다. Rather than 개인 생활. Your private life. So, whether you have to attend to one workplace or whether you weigh more to the career life rather than private life 하는 whether this or this 전통적 의식이 consciousness or awareness. But what kind of awareness? 전통적 의식, traditional awareness. The traditional awareness 하는 that is giving you an example of whether A or B. So 전통적 의식, the traditional awareness that or such as whether you weigh more career life or whether you have to attend to one workplace for a lifetime. Those awareness 약화되고 있다, 고있다. Present continuous 약화되다. It becomes weakened. So be weakened. So together 약화되고 있다. It is the awareness is being weakened. 직업 선택의 기준도 the criteria, the standard or criteria of choosing a job also 그 직업에 대한 about the job 사회적 평가보다는 rather than 보다 is no it's not a look in this case it's rather than the evaluation 사회적 societal evaluation blank 우선순위에 두는 경우가 많다. There are a lot of cases that we 두다 put on priority. So 우선순위에 두다 is one set a priority. So there are many cases that we set priority in this blank rather than 사회적 평가, societal evaluation. So in this case, 평가 can be translated as judgment. 사회적 평가, societal judgment. 직장 생활이나 직업 선택에서 in the 직업 선택 in the job selection 이나 or 직장 생활 career life 자 무엇보다도 above all 개인의 만족도를 중시하고 있는 것이다. 는 것이다. It's the thing that 중시하고 있다. 고 있다. present continuous and 중시하다. 중시하다. 시 보다 중요하다. important. So consider it important. So it's the thing that people are considering it, 중시하고 있는 the youth, 청년층, the youth are considering it important. Altogether, the phrase 중시하고 있는 것이다. The youth are considering it as important. This is the whole thing. 중시하고 있는 것이다. 중시하고 있는 것이다. The youth are considering it as important. It. Consider what? What is 개인의 만족도? The satisfaction of individual. Okay, so let's read the whole text once again. 최근 청년층을 중심으로 among the youth recently 직업에 대한 가치관이 the value regarding jobs 변하고 있다. It's changing. 평생 한 직장에 다녀야 한다든지 개인 생활보다 직장 생활에 더 비중을 둔다든지 하는 전통적 의식이 the traditional awareness that whether you weigh more on your career life rather than private life or whether you should attend to one workplace for a lifetime. This traditional awareness is being weakened. 직업 선택의 기준도 the criteria of choosing a job also 그 직업에 대한 사회적 평가보다는 rather than the societal judgment about the job blank 우선순위에 두는 경우가 많다. There are many cases that people, the youth, set a priority in this blank. 직장 생활이나 직업 선택에서 in the career life or choosing a job 무엇보다도 above all 개인의 만족도를 중시하고 있는 것이다. It's the thing that the youth are considering the satisfaction of individual as important, 중요하다. Okay, so let's find out the answer. 정답을 찾아봅시다. 자, here is the key. 무엇보다도 above all 개인의 만족도를 the satisfaction of individual it is the thing that they consider satisfaction of individual as important rather than the 사회적 평가 개인의 만족도를 중요하게 생각한다. Okay. Every option ends with 니은지, right? 니은지, 니은 언더지, 니은 언더지, 는지. So 는지, 니은지. 우선순위에 두다. Set a priority. What? What information is 을 or 를? That's why every option ends with direct option marker를. Set a priority what? Whether or if it's the workplace where the youth will work for a lifelong. 자, real under, this is for future tense. So, the workplace that the youth will 근무하다, 일하다, same thing, work. 네. So they set a priority if it is the 이다, it is. If it is the workplace where he or she will work forever. 아니요. It's not related to 개인의 만족도. 네. Or like 개인 생활. Number 2. 자신의 적성에 맞는지를 if 적성에 맞다. Right for the aptitude. If it is right for the aptitude of oneself. Oh, this is the right answer. 개인의 만족도, 개인. It's about 개인, individual, 개인, individual. 그쵸? Set a priority on the individual rather than what the society evaluate them. So, number 2 is the right one. 3. 사회적 위치가 어떤지를 if or whether, yeah, they set a priority whether or if 어떤지, how their social status is. They do not mention about social status, so this is wrong answer. 4번, 타인의 평가가 어떤지를 우선순위에 두다. Set a priority if or whether how the other person's evaluation. 자, 타인, another person. So 타인, 다른 사람, another person, synonyms. 아니죠. 사회적 평가, it's aligned. It goes aligned with number 4. But they set a priority to their own individual satisfaction. This is the key. 네, 무엇보다도 개인의 만족도를 중시하고 있는 것이다. This is the key. Rather than the 사회적 평가, rather than how other people evaluate them, instead of this, they set a priority on the individual thing. That is number 2. If the job is right for their aptitude, it's about 개인, individual. That's why number 2 is the right answer.